Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to get rid of acne forever, completely from your face. This remedy is going to be made up of apple cider vinegar and water. If this is your first time stopping by this channel, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon if you haven't already, so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Share this video with your friends and loved ones and give this video a huge thumbs up. So let's get started. The first ingredient you'll be needing for this remedy is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very rich in antioxidant properties, is rich in antibacterial and antifungal properties. Apple cider vinegar is going to deeply cleanse your pores. It's going to unclog your clogged pores by getting rid of all the toxins and dirt from your pores, and it's also going to keep your skin refreshed and moisturized. It's going to completely dry out all the acne and blackheads, whiteheads on your face, so your face is going to be left smooth, very tender and much younger. The next ingredient you'll be needing for this remedy is water. Water is very essential to the body. It's also very good, not only on the inside, also on the outside. It's going to keep your face refreshed and moisturized. Water is also going to help keep your face very hydrated. And to my bowl, I'll add 2 tablespoons of water. So now we're going to add a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. Firstly, you just shake it a bit. Then we add it to our bowl. We need just 1 tablespoon of the vinegar. So we'll just mix this up. So our treatment is ready. To apply this remedy, is either you go with a cotton pad or you put it in a spray bottle. So to put this in a spray bottle, you spray it on your face. Just like that. After spraying it on your face, you massage it into your face and allow it to sit on you until it is completely dried. Then you go ahead and rinse it off with a little bit of water. And if you choose to go in with your cotton pad or cotton ball, you just dip it into your remedy and massage it in a circular motion on your face. You massage it for 5 minutes and allow it to sit on you until it is dried. Then you go ahead and wash it off with normal water. You don't even have to wash it, just rinse your face with normal water. Then you apply your moisturizer, whichever you have, be it coconut oil, vitamin E oil, whichever moisturizer you have is very okay. You repeat this remedy twice in a week for about 2 to 3 weeks. Then you observe the weight change on your face. You realize a smooth, very soft and tender looking face at the end of this remedy. So guys, just try this and let me know how it turns out. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and give this video a huge thumbs up, because I know it was helpful and very useful to you. And click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on this channel. And to my next video, I'll see you all very soon.